Let's say gusto mong kumita ng 30,000 pesos per month na passive income. Paano to siya i-calculate at saka saan ka pwede mag-invest? We need to convert your 30,000 monthly income into yearly. Kasi most of the investments ay nagbibigay ng annualized na return. So 30,000 pesos monthly desired income, you multiply that by 12. Every year, gusto mong kumita ng 360,000 pesos na passive income na wala kang ginagawa pero may pera pa rin pumapasok sa bulsa mo. Para conservative tayo, sabihin na lang natin 5% yung dividends or interest na makukuha mo sa isang investment. So all we have to do is 360,000 pesos, you divide it by the dividend yield, which is 5%. Ang capitalization natin is dapat 7.2 million pesos in order for us to get 360,000 pesos every year. And take note, this is based on gross. Di pa natin na-compute ang mga taxes and any other things na kailangan natin i-consider. Next question would be, ano ba ang mga investments na nagbibigay ng mga at least 5% na yield? Meron tayong Pag-ibig MP2, nagbibigay sila ng 7% yearly. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust, average nagbibigay sila ng mga 5 to 8%. Depende na lang sa klaseng REIT na you want to invest in. Some dividend stocks are also giving 5% or more. Time deposits at saka digital banks. And even cooperatives. If you have any other questions, just put it down in the comment section.